Good morning, student. Today we are going to start the first lesson of physics of class 10. Its first unit is 10 and the name of the unit is harmonic motion and waves. Before going to start the harmonic motion, let me have a short review about the types of the motion that you have already studied in the ninth class. Translatory motion. This was the motion of a body in a straight line. Rotatory motion or a spinning motion, the motion in which a body moves around its axle. Vibratory motion, a motion of a body that to and fro motion or oscillatory motion, the motion of the body between 2 points but in equal interval of time. So I will not go in deep detail about these type of the motion. Now we will study another type of the motion, the other classification of the motion, that is non-periodic motion and periodic motion. Periodic motion is that type of the motion in which a body repeats its motion in equal interval of time. Two things, that repetition of the motion, and the second thing is very important, that a repetition of the motion will be in the same interval of time, that just like suppose if a body moves from point A to B, whatever the time was taken by the body, while it will back to the A will have the same time. So time interval from A to B and B to A, it should be the same. So such type of motion in which body repeat its motion but time interval is the same. There are so many examples, that rotatory motion, vibratory motion, circular motion, these all type of the motions are called periodic motion. Suppose rotatory motion or a spin, that earth rotate around its axle, and a circular motion, the earth move around the sun, or the moon rotate moves around the earth, and whole journey from, let me see that if it is a sun and this is the earth, it start its journey from here and moves around in its fixed orbit, one circle, 1 year. Earth takes 1 year to move around the sun. And now again it repeats its motion again in the same time. This type of the motion, the circular motion, is called periodic motion. Let me have another example. Simple pendulum. Simple pendulum consists of a string and a metal bob hooked with a support, maybe the roof, maybe or any other beam type support. So this position, while it is in a rest position, it is called equilibrium or mean position. While we stretch it, disturb it and bring it here, and we leave it, it will start moving between 2 points. It will move from A to B and then from B to A. In this example also, body repeats its motion. Firstly, from A to B, it repeats its motion from B to A. But in both cases, the time interval will be the same. So, such type of the motion is called periodic motion. Non-periodic motion. It is that type of the motion that in which body may repeat its motion or may not repeat its motion. But if it repeats, its time interval may not be the same. Suppose a body moves from A to B. Let's suppose it takes 3 seconds. While it comes back from B to A, the time interval is not same. If it is more than 3 or less than the 3, then time interval is not same. This means this body which is moving between the 2 points from A to B and B to A, motion is being repeated, but time may not be the same. So such type of the motion in which time interval of the repetition of the motion is not same, that type of the motion is called non-periodic motion. So it was our first lesson. Now you are able to distinguish between the non-periodic and the periodic motion. Next time, in the next lesson, we will start harmonic motion. That what is the harmonic motion, and then we will study about the waves and the properties of waves also. Thank you and God bless you.